gonna do the mommy challenge.
The mommy challenge?
Yes.
Or the mommy look-alike challenge?
Yes, the mommy look-alike challenge. Again.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as you all can see from my voice, like I have a cold, so I'm just getting back to filming. I've been seriously down with a cold, but today we're going to be filming the mommy, the transforming, like I've seen a lot of this video all over YouTube, transforming my daughter into me, transforming my mom into me, transforming my sister into me, and you know, those type of videos. So today I decided to do one with the twins. As you all can see, we have special guests right here. I'm going to be trying to transform the twins into me. And one thing, you guys, ever since I gave birth to these children, one thing everybody always tells me is they like, let's assume now you meet me and them for the first time, everybody's always like, oh my gosh, they look so much like you. But then immediately they see their dad, everybody, like to the very least person, they'll be like, oh, we are sorry, these children, they actually don't look like you, they look like their dad. So ever since I gave birth to them, I've been like, oh my gosh, why, you know, out of the both of them, they will have to look like their dad. Nobody even did like considered to look like me. So with makeup, I'm going to try my possible best, at least since they don't look like me, you know, they look more like their dad. So with makeup, let me try, like I want to try and see if I can achieve transforming them into me. At least let me have a little hope, you know, of them looking a little bit like me. I hope I'm able to do that after this video. What is the first thing we're going to do?
Makeup.
Makeup. What kind of makeup? What is the first thing? What is the first product to apply on your face?
I want...
We have the products right here.
Powder.
Powder, okay. So we're going to start, mommy, before you apply powder, we're going to first of all start with a primer. So we're going to apply primer on their faces. And you know my job is double because I'm doing so. Most of the videos I see, I only see, you know, one. But for me, you know, when you do for one, you're going to do it for the next person. Angel, go get tissue. Also, you blow your nose. And they have a cold. So please, you guys, excuse if you see any cold coming down. They have a serious cold. And yeah, mommy, you have to go get tissue and blow your nose. Where did it go to?
Next is this.
And the next is the powder. Okay. But let's do the primer first.
Oh, what primer? Oh, this is primer.
This is what?
Like primer.
Primer. Say primer.
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 Primer. I do this one next.
Powder.
Powder. Mom, second after powder, can we do lipstick?
Lipstick. Oh my gosh. Why is it everybody's always into lipstick? Every child is always into lipstick.
Yeah, that is how we love lipstick.
I wish my face is like theirs. Look at mommy, your face is so smooth. Woo!
I like cute.
It's so cute, right?
Mommy, I like your face.
You like my face? Yeah. This my pimple and my dark spots face. Mommy's face is filled with acne, pimples. That's
I like you.
Oh, thank you so much, sweetie. Oh, thank you. I love you too.
I do that, mommy.
Mm. Oh, she said you're the best mom in the world and you're the most beautiful mom in the world. Thank you, sweetie.
Yeah, and you said when your birthday comes up, then I'm gonna make you a picture.
You're gonna make me a picture. Thank you, sweetie.
And yeah, I have something to tell you too.
Mm-hmm.
You're the best mom in the world, and I love you. You're the best mom in the world.
Aww.
And you're the beautiful, loving mom in the world.
Oh, thank you. She said you're the best mom in the world and you're so, so beautiful. You're the best beautiful mom in the world. Okay, so let's move ahead. The next thing, mommy. Powder. Okay.
And then after powder, your new thing.
Okay. We're going to apply powder, right?
Yeah.
And I'm not putting anything that is not going to come out with water and probably like a little bit of, you know, soap. You know the names of the makeups?
Powder.
What's the first one we applied?
I don't know.
Oh my. I don't know. I used the gel on their hair and the gel is breaking out like white residue. It's so annoying. Mommy? No?
Can we do this next?
Okay, we're going to do brows next. Yeah, Angel, sit. Nikki, let me see your brows.
You know the
Come on. Hey, Angel, don't shake my hand. Nikki, be still.
Okay.
You guys have some nice brows.
Thank you.
I wish my brows are this full.
You used to go to school when you were a child.
Yeah. I was even going to school when I was an adult, mommy.
What's the name of your school?
Unizik is in Nigeria. Is in Anambra State, Nigeria.
What?
Mommy went to college, so even adults also go to college.
Yes. It's on more.
You know you're in pre-K now.
Yeah,
You're pre-K. That's the first start of school.
Yes.
Pre-K. My job is double. How much are you guys paying me for this job?
$1.
What? Angel, how much are you paying me for this job?
$1.
Mommy, $1 is nothing. Oh my, that's
Mommy,
bad.
I'm gonna pay you $280.
Oh, that's better. That's better. $280. That's better.
Jolly, jolly, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling was no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
So what next are we doing?
Yes.
We're using a concealer to clean up your brows.
Yeah. Clean up.
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
Everybody
Mommy,
do-
stay still.
Everybody do your show. Mommy, after we do that thing, we're gonna do it.
I'm going to just sit.
And then lipstick! Where's eyelashes? We're not moving.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do will be eyeshadow. And I'm
No,
going to
this
apply primer.
one.
No, Mommy. No, Mommy, not that one. We're going to do eyeshadow. Come on. Let me see your eyes. And this is called what?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow primer. Say eyeshadow primer.
Eyeshadow primer. The other one is called primer. And
Yeah, the other one is called primer. This one is called eyeshadow primer.
Mommy, next, can we do lipstick?
No, Mommy, not lipstick. Next is eyeshadow. We're going to apply eyeshadow and we're using an eyeshadow
Primer.
say palette.
Palette.
This is
I'm gonna
eyeshadow
go
palette.
first.
This is what? This is called what?
Eyeshadow palette.
Eyeshadow palette.
Yeah, it's from all the way to Earth. How I wonder what you are. Up, 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 the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Quadrants.
What's Kwanzaa?
Quad.
Is this Spanish?
No.
Hey guys.
I think so.
So we're gonna apply mascara
Can
on
we
the
go
lashes.
first?
But Licky, don't move me.
Mommy, can we let you go first?
No. It's just gonna be a quick for your lashes.
Lashes? Our teacher was reading a book to us
What kind of book?
about God created everything.
About God creating everything.
Yes.
And what did God create?
The sun.
The sun,
The moon.
the moon,
Yeah. The lights.
the lights.
Yeah. God didn't want to be alone. She just wanted a family. So she created a family of his.
Aww. So God didn't want to be alone, right?
Yes.
So who was the first person He created?
The mother.
No.
And then the second one was the baby. Then the second one was the dad.
No. No, God created Adam.
Oh!
You remember? You remember? Your teacher told you?
Yeah.
Adam. Say Adam.
Adam.
And who was the second person God created?
Can you tell us?
Eve.
Eve. Adam and Eve.
Adam and Eve. The next thing we're going to apply will be
Hi guys.
highlight, and I'm using my newest addition. Angel and Licky, you should be happy. Mommy is using her new highlight. Oh my gosh, Angel, you're applying highlight all over your face. Jeez. Turn around, let me do it. We're going to apply it on your cheek. Smile. Right on your ears, right here. We're going to apply it. And then you will blend it out. Try and blend on your nose. Hey! Equator! Equator! Angel, you forgot you have makeup on and you're rubbing your face. Jeez, man, these children. You see, that is it. You people always want to put on makeup like mommy, but you don't know the sacrifices mommy always makes to have makeup on. You don't touch your face, mommy, when you have makeup on.
Oh.
You forgot?
Yes, I forgot. Sorry.
Bling, 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 bling. Woo! Vicky's blinking, mommy. Hey, Angel, no, no boom was.
Get it out.
Let me see, Vicky.
Mm.
What is the next thing?
Lipstick!
Lipstick! Yay! Yeah, 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 yeah.
Mommy,
Okay, Angel.
did I do it?
Careful.
That's
Come on, put it.
What?
Okay, that's okay.
You're doing all your teeth. That's a long thing.
Oh my gosh, Angel, your whole face. Stop it. Oh my gosh, that's a mess.
Mama, remember we can't touch your face because we have makeup.
You can't touch your face because you have no makeup.
Makeup!
So what are we going to do next?
Put on the clothes.
Put on the clothes. Yes. So we're going to go change into mommy's clothes,
We're
right?
gonna be right back.
You're going to be right back?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go. Let's go put on clothes.
We have the same exact clothes like your mommy. And we also look like a daddy.
You still look like, oh my gosh, Licky, I'm angry. So you still look like your daddy. After mommy put on this makeup, all this makeup I put on you, you still look like your daddy. Oh my gosh, I thought you would look like your mommy for once.
I'm looking like my mommy.
Yay! So we are matching, right?
Yes!
We have the same shirt. Oh my gosh, mommy, be careful with your makeup so you don't put your makeup on mommy's clothes. That's what we go through. Once you have makeup on, you gotta be careful hugging people so you don't want to transfer your makeup on them. Okay? Angel, leave my hair now. Let's put on your own hair. Come on, leave mine alone, please. Thank you. So we're gonna put on what?
A wig.
A wig. Okay, so we're gonna first of all pack your own hair. Mommy, but this type of style you people have, I don't think the wig is gonna be fitted on your head, but let's try. Let's see. Bend down. Woo.
Lucky! No! I don't have a hair. Yes, you do. No, I don't have hair. I don't even have hair. Mama, just to give it squishes. It makes a sound.
Mommy, this is your hairstyle.
Punch it.
Look at me, let me see you. I don't even know, Mommy, what do you look like? I don't even know what you look like.
Mommy.
You look like Mommy. Okay, let's see. Angel, let's do
I think I look like a jellyfish or Mommy. I think I look like a kangaroo or something.
Oh my gosh, Mommy. Angelique says she looks like a jellyfish. Let's see how Angel will look.
I'm like Cinderella.
Oh, you look like Cinderella.
No, I'm like Cinderella Addy.
So yes, you guys, here we are, Angel and Licky with their first makeup ever, looking like Mommy. Angel and Licky, who do you look like?
Mommy!
You sure?
Yeah. We don't have a ring.
Oh,
And
you don't have
guys,
a
do not
necklace?
say we're our daddy. I look like my mommy.
You look like your mommy?
Yes.
You sure?
They don't look the same because they do have a different voice. Mom, you have a different voice and I have a different voice.
Okay, so Angel has a different voice, I have a different voice, and you have a different voice.
Yes.
But we are all twinning right now, right?
Yes.
3 of us will look the same. So sit up well so they can see you. You have the orange and white with mommy's wig.
Yeah,
Although the wig is not balanced because it looks like you have horns right here because of your hairstyle. Licky, let me see. Alright, you guys, so yes, that is basically it. I really wanted to do this transforming my daughters into me video, and yeah, definitely let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Do they at least look a little bit like you?
Yeah, the comment section below.
in the comment section below.
Yeah.
So let us know if they look like me. Angel and Licky.
Guys, we have a question for you. Do you like macaroni and cheese or chicken and macaroni?
Okay. She said, do you like macaroni and cheese or chicken and macaroni? So they should leave the answer in the comment section below.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This was absolutely made for fun, and I hope we were able to entertain you guys. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon.
Bye.
Bye.